The first menu on the Fedora 12 DVD allows you to install or upgrade an existing system, install a system with a basic video driver, rescue an installed system, or boot to a local drive. I'm going to select the first option. Next we have the opportunity to test our DVD. I'm going to select OK, then select Test. And we have successfully verified the integrity of our DVD, so select OK. Now we can test additional DVDs here, or select Continue to continue on our installation of Fedora 12. On this first screen, click on the Next button, then select the language we'd like to use and click Next. Now let's select the keyboard layout and click Next again. Now let's select a host name to use. This allows us to identify our computer from a network. Then click Next. Next we can see this map where we can select a city in our time zone. You can use this drop-down list as well, and there's a checkbox to specify if our system clock uses UTC. Click on Next when you're finished. Now we need to type in our root password and confirm it, then press Next. This brings us to some partition options. The first drop-down allows us to select Use Entire Drive, Replace Existing Linux System, Shrink Current System, Use Free Space, or create a custom layout. I'm going to use the entire drive for this installation. We can encrypt our system, select individual drives for the installation, and see advanced storage configuration. The second drop-down list allows us to choose what drive we'd like to boot this installation from. Click on Next when you're finished, and confirm you'd like to write these changes to the disk. After a few moments, we'll select some software options we have. We can select Office and Productivity, Software Development, and Web Server packages. Down below we can select additional repositories we want to use for installing software. Here you can add and modify repositories as well. If you want to fine-tune your software options now, you can do that, or you can select Customize later, as I've done. Click on the Next button, and let's sit back and wait for Fedora to install. And this is what it looks like when your installation is finished. You get a congratulations message. Just click on the reboot button. After your system has restarted, you'll see this welcome window. Click on Forward. Read and agree to the license information. Click Forward again. Now we can create a user. Type in the username you want to use. Also enter your full name, a password, and confirm that password. If you want to set up a network login, you can do that with this button down here. Click on the Forward button. The date and time window allows us to synchronize date and time over our network, set the month, year, date using this calendar, and the time over here on the right side. Click on Forward. After a moment, we see the hardware profile screen. Here you can choose to send your profile to help enhance future versions of Fedora. I like to choose Send Profile. Click on Finish. After a few moments, we should see the Fedora login window. There it is. Just click on your username, then enter your password. Press Enter or click on the Login button. And after a short wait, we should see the Fedora desktop start to load. And here it comes. our finished installation of the Fedora desktop.